From Teardrop, Nebraska. We're going to do something a little different today. It's a new segment that we're going to call Jim's Whiteboard. I've been kind of a wing it and see how it works type of guy. I'm going to try and get a little more organized, and for that purpose we're starting off with Jim's Whiteboard. Okay, I have a list of things to do here. Number one is to cut and install the roof material on the Teardrop. As you saw in the last video, we got the insulation on. I've got that trimmed off now. I'll shoot you a little picture at the end of this. Number two, we're going to apply 2 quarts of varnish on the roof to seal it for any condensation or small leaks that might be under the aluminum. Then we're going to, on the seams, we're going to apply a glass tape on all the roof seams and epoxy that. Then we have to pre-fit the fenders with T-nuts and frame bolts. And then we cut and drill the aluminum angle iron trim for the bottom, and then cut and drill the aluminum upper trim. Then we need to install the aluminum trim on the sides. I guess I kind of got that out of order. We've got to install the aluminum roof and then install the trim on the aluminum sides. I guess that's the lower trim on the aluminum sides. Then we'll install the front lower trim. Oh, that's install and trim the aluminum sides. Getting ahead of myself here. Install the front hurricane hinge. Cut out the door, window, and vent openings in the aluminum. Install the door, window, and vent fan. Install the outdoor lights and side markers with the tail lights. Pre-wire the tongue box board and install the tongue box. And one that I realize I did forget is the installation of the fenders permanently after the aluminum siding is installed. What we'll do there is mount the fenders on the frame, and then mark out the holes, and then drill the aluminum for the holes that have the T-nuts behind them, and then we'll be able to permanently mount the fenders. I'm not sure exactly how we're going to address the bit of trim that goes under the fenders, whether we build that out with the sealing tape or just how we're going to do that. Now here's a look at our insulation job. We've got it all trimmed out. We've got a marking for our first roof piece. Will come from the bottom up 36 5/8 inches, and then we'll run another piece to the back where the hurricane hinge mounts. Well, that'll be all for today. I do have an upcoming event which is going to be going to Wayne, Nebraska. They have Wayne America on their water tower. I'm going to the STOL, short takeoff and landing air races up in Wayne for 4 days. Gonna see a few of the aviation YouTubers that I watch. I'm not a pilot, I'm just a wannabe, so I gotta get my license plate fixed here before I go. I've been working on, we got this thing purring. It's purring like a kitten till the lake pipes roar. So if you want to catch some videos on the Wayne Air races, the MayDay STOL, stay tuned. Thank you.